Hey everybody, Melanie Atkinson here, realtor with Smith & Associates in beautiful Tampa Bay, Florida, and I'm very excited today to show you around my brand new listing. It's in the Stonebrier community in Lutz. So before we go on the tour of this house, let me tell you a little bit about the neighborhood of Stonebrier. The Stonebrier neighborhood is about 440 acres and it's located in Lutz. This is a beautiful planned community with a wonderful community clubhouse, a resort-style pool, basketball, soccer fields, and a fitness center. And if you're commuting south into Tampa, we have easy access to both Dale Mabry or the Veterans Expressway. And to top it off, this neighborhood is zoned for some of the highest rated schools in the counties, from elementary to high school. Another great thing about Stonebrier is a lot of the houses back here are newer. They all have the newer energy efficiency standards, plus hurricane shutters, which leads to lower electric bills and lower insurance costs. This 2012 built house is just over 2,600 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, plus a den, plus a formal dining or living space. The kitchen in this home is open to the breakfast nook and the family room, and it's such an amazing layout. You have multiple working spaces, so more than one person can be working in here without being on top of each other. The finishes are also beautiful. We have wonderful espresso cabinets, granite countertops, and upgraded appliances, including this fabulous LG refrigerator. There's also a wonderful desk area that's the perfect place to store all of your household paperwork or a great central homework spot. One of the many things that separates this home from other homes is the amazing renovated master bath. The master shower area has been remodeled for 2 separate shower spaces with rain shower heads. This house also has a separate office space in the front of the house with glass French doors. In the back of the home are 2 secondary bedrooms that share a bathroom. The 4th bedroom has a nice private space at the front of the house with its own full bathroom. The extended and screened patio is the perfect spot for outdoor living. Another highlight of this home is the huge fenced-in backyard. This lot is one of the largest in the neighborhood and is 190 feet long. And if you're looking for curb appeal, this is the house for you. There's a beautiful paver driveway and entry walk and mature Florida landscaping. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. If you're looking for another home tour to watch, I have an amazing listing just down the street from here in the Stillwater neighborhood of Odessa. Check it out. Depending on when you're watching, this house may or may not still be available, but if you'd like more information, go ahead and give me a call or send me a text. I'm happy to give you information on this house or others like it. Thanks everybody for watching. With love, Melanie.